Ka Committee on Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribe SC/ST jong ka ying dor bar thawaan ka jela. Haka arpusang tarik leber kala penlong ka jingle jurib ya ka Eclavia Model Residential School EMRS ha paham sim nongpo ban kemi ya ka jingtei bat ka jinglong balakre ban sedang terikam. Ya kini ka jingle jurib layalam dau chairman ka komiti UBDU MLA ka Nongstoin uba Gabriel Walang ha ka jingedon lang ki dekhot ki bakentup ya ka Dr. Mazel Anprin Lingdo bat u MLA ka Nongpo uba Meral Bons im. Hakini ki jing jurib ki boy punya school ki lapan pau halor ki katto kat ne ki jing bat ki jing duna ha ke liang ki jing te ki badan kam ban penben kenang ban penti kena ya ka jing tre kam ka ba pensuk jong ka school bat ki jing la ban ne slam na pedeng ki de ki jing duna ki lapan pau ha ka bay de bat ka hostel jong ki kena kenthei ka badang duna ya ki katto kat ne ki jing don kam ba kongsan. Habakran syakilar pathai ko bor uba Gabriel ula ong baki jing pej benya bat ki jing ai jing mut balalum hakani ke jing lay jurib on sa penrung haka kai pot ke babnya bat ban IT syak sorkar jela khnang bakan le ke badan kam. Ula ong baka jing itu bat ka jing penbej kam kloy yakini ki jing kalong ke bakongsan ban penti kena babaro ki jaka puli EMRS ki bandang wan hamighalia kinlong ki bala penkre ban penyo ya ka jing hikai ke bapaka kat kum ki kendon balabu. Ula benrap ba ki jing yo jing tip naka paham sim EMRS kinlong kum ka jing hikai ka ban betin di na ka benta ban kentiu bar penklan ya ki bakum ki ne ki school hakeleng ka jela. Ka paham sim EMRS ka day ka jaka puli ka beningkong ka batri kampura hapo ka ni ka skim bat ngidon ya ka jing tumbu ban pen inuksa ya ka jing job jongka haki wei pat ki benta jong ka jela benrap ushaman ka komiti. Ka Eclavia Model Residential School EMRS ka day ka sinjam jong ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs ka sorkar jela ka batmu ban penyo ya ka jing puli kabapaka ya ki kena school ki bade ki Scheduled Tribe ST kamtam haki jaka bajngai bat baduna kalar banyo jing syakri. Hamighalia ka paham sim EMRS ka de ka jaka puli ka beningkong ka batre kampura hapo jong ka de ka school bat ka balas dang ya ka jing puli nadu ubnai nopra arhajar pusan. Kat ba ka EMRS ka baar hasamanda East Garo Hills kalas dang trekam ha ka basdang jong ni usnam arhajar arhundrio. Ka sorkar jela kala penwandur ya kelenti bala thumbu ban penyar ya ki jingtei na benta ka pule puthi jong ki riulum ha ka bala mang hadu lai pratali ki jaka pule jong ka EMRS ha keleng ke jela Meghalaya na du arhajar apusan.
We have come from the SCSC Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Committee to inspect the EMRS school at Paham Sim today. And our inspections, we just want to see that how the school is functioning since it's recently been inaugurated, how it has been operated, how is the functioning, whether the school is in a good conditions or not, whether the staff and the teachers are there or not. And we found that the staff are there, but there are some issues that the school is raising regarding the water, internet facilities and so many things. It is a very good opportunity that we have visit today since the EMRS school has just started in our state of Meghalaya. So this, we just want to see that when we come and visit, and we want to see that the rest of the EMRS school that going to be inaugurated in near future should have proper facilities for the students, for the teachers, and for everyone. And we have come today to see, we checked about the girl hostels, and we see that there are so many facilities are lacking in the girl hostels. So these are the things that we can raise this to our government, to tell the government that these are our findings and what solution could be made from our findings.